In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play music using a bot in Discord. So the bot we're going to be using today is called the chipbot.gg. You can head over to this website, and from here you need to click on invite chip and select any of these chips. In the next section, you need to select your server. Make sure you log into your Discord account on this browser, and only then it will show you the servers. Otherwise it will not show you, so make sure you log in and click continue, and again click on authorize. Verify that you're not a robot. Now if you head over to your server, you can see that the chip bot now has been added. Now to look at the commands of this bot, you can type in ch help. Now it will show you all the list of commands. Now you need to select a voice channel. If you click on a voice channel, then the chip bot will be automatically connected. As you can see, it says it is connected. The next thing you can do is, after you connected the bot, you can search for the music. Type in ch exclamation. After you enter search, then a suggestion will open. You can also click in this and then enter in the search or the URL that you want to play. After that, you can pick a track. Now you don't need to pick it manually, you can just click it and the music will start to play. After the music starts playing, you'll see a few buttons. You can pause the music, you can play the previous music, you can skip it, stop it, and also cue the music so it lines up and plays continuously.